stop doing this. That's the right thing.
नमस्ते। आज मैं सोच रहा हूँ कुछ चाय पे चर्चा करते हैं। So let me do just take a sip of tea. Is my tea safe, or am I taking any poisonous drink? Please comment, because you know that tea, we are all are Indians, so tea plays a vital role as a nourishment drink or as a beverage, which most of the Indians, starting from the lower class, middle class and upper class, which most of the Indians started their days by taking a sip of tea. Here I am talking about plastic tea strainer, because हम लोग घर पे ना मैक्सिमम इंडियन वो लोग क्या टी स्टॉल पे मैक्सिमम दे आर यूजिंग प्लास्टिक टी strainer for filtration of tea. Even I have seen most of the people चाय पैकिंग करके पन्नी पे लेके आते पॉलीथीन पे. As you know that polyethylene का केमिकल कंपोजिशन है. It contains a material ethylene in many times. Poly means many and ethylene. See, ethylene का chemical composition is C2H4, and polyethylene is quite prone to heat. It's very heat sensitive. Okay, so if we put any hot material inside this package, inside this bag, or inside the plastic strainer, then gradually it will melt and deposited on that drink. I mean to say that my drink is not safe. My drink is totally poisonous. अगर मैं उसको बार बार चाय पीते रहूंगा, बाहर का चाय जो होता है ना, ऑफिस से ऑफिस में जाके चाय लेता है, अगर इफ हैव टू टेक इट ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस, ऑन डेली बेसिस, एक टाइम आएगा एंटायर पॉलीइथिलीन और प्लास्टिक मटेरियल विल accumulate on my stomach, और जिसके कारण मेरे को क्या होगा, I am having various fatal diseases. It may causes cancer, it may causes stomach ache, it may causes kidney stone, kidney pain भी होता है, it may causes even harmful to the pregnant ladies. Please don't give this type of teas to the pregnant ladies. It will affect the newborn baby. So it's a personal humble request. Please throw out this plastic strainer. Don't use plastic strainer at the time of filtration of tea. Tea plays a vital role in our life, we all admit, because as you know that safety, हम लोग का safety जो सुरक्षा है starts from I. मेरे से शुरू होता है safety. कैसे? Safety is a behavioral matter, which is the intrinsic factor. हम लोग का दिनचर्या में safety शामिल है. We have to add safety. We have to take care of every steps what we are doing on our daily life. So safety plays a vital role. क्यों ना हम हमारा किचन से शुरू करें. हमारा किचन का किंग कौन है? वुमेन कम्युनिटी. वुमेन कम्युनिटी मतलब माँ हो गए, बहन हो गए, सिस्टर्स हो गए, डॉटर हो गए. They are managing our kitchen as a master chef. So this message is basically for them. A request भाइयों बहनों, please don't use plastic strainer at the time of tea filtration. उसको फेंक लीजिए please. So as Raksha Bandhan is coming, being a brother, so it's a humble request, it's a safety tips to all my Nari Shakti, because you know that if our women communities are safe, then we are also safe. So request to throw away. Don't use plastic strainer, plastic bags for any type of packaging of tea. धन्यवाद.